Hey guys, my name is Shivij and welcome to my channel TechNote. So guys, today in this video I'll be telling you about the Google Lens app. So guys, Google has been making many wonderful apps and all those apps are available on the Play Store. And I hope that you check them out. But today we'll be just talking about and be discussing about and I'll tell you all features which are available in this Google Lens app. So guys, this Google Lens app is very useful in your daily life. So what all you can do is you can translate something or you could copy your text from a novel which you have, or you could search for objects, animals or things, and it can also help you in doing your homework. And there are many other things too which you can do in this app. But you may be wondering that this app is just as same as the Google search app. But that is not the situation here. Guys, but this app uses the camera of your phone to search or to help you in your work. I'll be telling you everything about this app, its feature and everything which is available in this app. So let's move on. So guys, as soon as you open this app, this is the interface which you see. So here you can see a lot of options, like here is the translate option. Here is also the text option. So what does text do is that you could copy text. So what you need to do is you just need to place your book or your notebook in front of the camera, and this app would copy that text which is written in the notebook or the textbook. And here is also the search option. So this option would help you give information related to any object or any animal or any plant which you have. So the same thing needs to be done. You need to keep it in front of your camera and it will give you the information. So here is also the homework option. So what this option will and what this feature will do is, for example, you have a maths problem to solve and you don't have the solution to that question. So what you need to do is you just need to place the question in front of your camera and it would search for that and it would give you solutions according to that question. And then we also have the shopping option. We also have the places option. For example, you have a photo of that place but you don't know the name. So the same thing needs to be done. You can keep the photo in front of the camera and it would search for that place and it would give you the name and every information regarding that place. And then there's also the dining option. So now we'll be trying some of the options available here and we'll see that how does this app perform. So guys, now let's try the translate feature. So here I have a French dictionary. So let's see how does it translate. So as you can see, it has translated everything it could translate. So guys, now let's come to the text option. So from this option you can copy some amount of text from your notebook or your textbook. So now we'll be trying this. So for example, I have a novel. I'll place the novel under the camera and then let's see does it copy everything. So it says to take a photo of the words that we need to copy. So I'll take a photo of this and then from here we can copy whatever we want to. So I'll just copy everything and then I could, and see it's also giving me all the information related to the text. So it is the same book which I have and it also has the lines. So now I can copy this and do whatever I want to do. I can paste it somewhere or I can keep this somewhere. So guys, now coming to the third option, which is the search option. So for example, here I have a tripod stand and I want to know some information about this tripod stand and I also want to know its price. So just what I'll do is I'll click it and I'll click the photo and here I have the picture of the same tripod stand. And if I want to see some more pictures about this or I want to know its price, I can click on any of the picture and I can go to their website and then see that what is the cost of this tripod stand. So guys, now coming to the fourth option, which is the homework option. So for this homework option here, I have a maths problem and I need the solution to this question. So what I'll just do is I'll take a photo of this question and it would give me the solution and also the steps. So if I go down, so here is the answer to my question. So guys, these were all the basic and the useful things which you could do in this Google Lens app, and you can also try many other things in this app. So guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.